Hey y'all, it's Lisa with Hobbie Time. Ready for another video? Let's get into it. Another one of these mini verse. Check it out. Alright, hopefully no dupes. Like in my past ones, you guys have seen. Pull them out for you. We have the pancakes and the French toast. Put them over here. Let's bust this sucker open. Oh, let's find the here. And then hopefully we get something different. It's the first one, still a diner. I can't find the cafe ones. I don't know if maybe I missed out on those or if they're somewhere secret. No, I know they're not secret, but like I can't find them. I've looked. Maybe I have to go to the next city over. But all I can find is the diner ones. So that's what we're getting. Come off. These really don't like me. Don't know why. Could help if I actually go with the flow of the object. Okay. So much stuff, so much stuff. Okay, well, we've done all these instructions before. Like I said, it helps to have your UV light, but you can do it. It says 5 minutes in the sunlight to cure it. I use the UV light, it's just for nails. So it only takes like a few seconds. This is the list. Let's see what we get, okay? So it looks like we have another little table set up. This is the resin. The tongs, silverware, and we'll see what this is. It already looks a little different. Okay, so this says 100% happy. So when we got the little table things, they were pink. And this one has 2 have sunny days. So I'm thinking we got something different here. Super excited. And we're going to start off with popping this in the bottom like that, so I don't have to fight with it later. Not have to spill it everywhere. Then we're going to stick it to this like that. And I'm thinking also what I want to do eventually is get some like, I don't even sit in there flat, like super glue that down. Anyway, we'll go from there. All right, so let's get opening up some stuff. See what we have here. Obviously we have our little tongs. What kind of silverware we got for this situation here? Guys, it's a straw. Maybe we got a drink. Ooh, we got a drink. They bent my straw. They broke my straw. My straw's broken. They bent my straw. You see that, guys? Can you see that? They broke it. How can you drink a shake or something out of that? So, looking at that, we can automatically narrow down. It's not one of those fun things, but it's one of these. Which one do you think? I kind of want the strawberry shake. I don't know. We'll see. Super exciting. Let's see what we get. All right, made fresh. Made fresh. Okay, so it's like the one you see all the time. It seems like most common one. Sun-baked sweets. It's like a little chocolate, right? So what we got is this mint chocolate shake. Oh, we got more of these tiny chocolate chips probably to deal with. Okay. So let's just get into all this stuff here. Oh, it's super cute. Plastic. But it looks like glass. Super cute, super cute, super cute. Oh, well, I just spilled the whipped cream everywhere. Can you see that? Cute little whipped creamies. But it's supposed to be like in here. You could almost keep this like with your mini foods on your shelf. You're supposed to keep them in here and go. Ah! Flicking whipped cream everywhere. Okay. And, yep, we got our chocolate chips. Chocolate chips. Teeny tiny things that get everywhere. And let's see how cute this resin is. Oh my goodness. Mint milkshake. Mini stuff. Obviously it says do not eat it. Do not eat, caution, blah, 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 blah. Take that off. I wanted it to just be the cute little container. Just so you can get the idea. There. Super, get off me. Super cute, super cute. All right. Oh, these lids. So I'm gonna open up some of this stuff up. Hopefully it opens nicely. I usually fight with them. Hopefully I don't have to fight with it much. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Okay, I'm just gonna dump out these little chocolate pieces. Kind of set them out. Put these out. Set out some of these. Okay, 1 second. Okay, got it open. So let's pour this in here. Ooh, almost looks like it should glow in the dark. It's so like glow in the darky green. And since my straw came kind of broken, see what I can do here. I'm gonna try to cover up. Little chips get everywhere, guys. They really do. So I'm gonna use my straw, kind of swirly whirl this round in here, because if you have a milkshake, you want those fairly mixed in. Some on the bottom, some on the top. And mix some more in the top. Oh my gosh, they are going everywhere. We're gonna be finding chocolate chips for days. Yeah, so gooey. See, kind of like that. Okay, we're gonna stick this guy kind of in. I don't want him to sink too much though. Oh, he's sinking though. Don't sink. Don't sink. It's a little harder. No, don't. I said don't sink, sir. So he wants to sink, and he sinks. Oh no, this is just becoming a gooey mess. I am making such a mess with this, guys. I am not a milkshake connoisseur here. Oh no, I have totally made a mess of this. Well, I have this stuff everywhere. And it's sinking like the Titanic. It is sinking. It is sunk. Like, look, it is down there. Like, it is gooing all over the place. Making messes. We're making messes. Okay, so we're just gonna have some whipped cream down there. And we've lost one to the abyss way down there. So someone's gonna have some chocolate down there. Oh no! It's okay. Wipe some of that off. Let's try this again. Maybe if we just kind of goo that there. Stick one of these. Not to me. I didn't want to stay. Okay. It's fine. Throw some chips. Okay, we're just gonna try to make this work. Just gonna try to do that real quick. This may not be the prettiest milkshake. Just gonna try to make it work. Hopefully it sets. And if it sets well, then that's great. Really hope it does. I just want it to set, because this is everywhere. Like, it is so everywhere. Well, it definitely set. Okay, so if you can tell, I have this big chunk of chocolate way down here at the bottom. It's supposed to be at top and all pretty, and my whipped cream kind of went to the side. But you can't tell my straw's broken. That works, right? Alright, well, whatever. I made a huge mess with this one. Made a huge mess. Huge, sticky mess. I guess that's the way it works. Ta-da! Mess. Like, mess. Everywhere. Oh my gosh. None of this is being saved. This is all just a sticky mess. Except for this little can. This is cute. We'll save this can. This is a super cute can. Okay. We'll just pretend they want some more of that. This little container is just, I'm throwing this all away. But, what do you guys think? Kind of nuts. Alright. And it looks nothing. See how theirs turned out? Like, ah, so cute, the little thing, da 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 da. Mine just kept sinking. But whatever. Maybe the next one will do better. Alright, come check out the next one. I have one more to do. Alright, bye guys.